Greetings, friends. Let's talk about something we all have in common, a wish to be effective with personal finances. The average person spends a whopping 10 hours a month managing their money. Studies have shown that those who automate their finances see significantly better returns than those who try to micromanage every penny. So, why are we still clinging to spreadsheets and calculators like they're relics from a bygone era? It's time to break free from the shackles of traditional financial management and embrace the AI integration revolution. And what if all this extra time leads to lessen anxiety and minimizes emotional decisions? All the better. So stick with us till the very end, and we will show you some incredibly intuitive AI that can help you automate your financial freedom. The beauty of AI in personal finance is its simplicity and accessibility. Imagine this. You set your financial goals, you link your accounts, and the AI does the rest. It tracks your spending, identifies areas where you can save, and even invests your spare change automatically. It's like having a personal finance ninja working tirelessly behind the scenes, optimizing your money while you focus on the things that truly matter. AI can also help you understand your relationship with money on a deeper level. By analyzing your spending patterns and financial behavior, it can provide valuable insights and recommendations tailored to your unique needs and goals. It's time to ditch the financial anxiety and embrace the peace of mind that comes with knowing your money is in good hands, or should I say logical algorithms. Now please take a moment to like, share, subscribe, or even dislike. As long as you have some constructive feedback as a small channel, it is much appreciated. Now, I know what you're thinking, but what about the human touch? Won't I miss talking to a real person about my finances? And to that, I say, have you actually ever met your banker in person? Just kidding. But seriously, while AI is a powerful tool, it's not about replacing human interaction altogether. Think of it as a partnership. AI takes care of the tedious tasks, crunching numbers and analyzing data, while you're free to consult with a financial advisor for more personalized guidance and strategic planning. By embracing AI, we can unlock a world of possibilities, not just for our finances, but for our overall well-being. Right then, let's have a chinwag about the elephant in the room, or should I say, the black hole in our wallets. Budgeting. We start with the best of intentions, armed with spreadsheets and highlighters determined to track every penny. But then, life happens. The unexpected birthday party, the emergency trip to the dentist, the online sale that was simply too good to resist, and suddenly our carefully crafted budget goes out the window faster than you can say overdraft fees. Imagine a world where your budget updates itself automatically, where you receive personalized insights and recommendations, and where you can say goodbye to those dreaded end-of-the-month surprises. Sounds pretty brilliant, doesn't it? Now, let's talk about the thrilling adventure that is expense tracking. It's like embarking on a wild goose chase through a labyrinth of receipts, credit card statements, and online transactions, desperately trying to piece together where all your hard-earned money went. One minute you're feeling like a financial detective, hot on the trail of a rogue latte purchase. The next you're drowning in a sea of numbers, questioning your sanity and your spending habits. But fear not, fellow spenders. For AI is here to rescue us from this expense-tracking nightmare. Imagine a world where your transactions are automatically categorized, where you can track your spending in real time, and where you receive personalized insights into your spending habits without lifting a finger. With AI-powered expense tracking, you can finally say goodbye to those shoeboxes full of receipts and hello to a world of financial clarity and control. Brilliant. Savings. The elusive beast that we all chase but few manage to tame. We set ambitious goals, vowing to cut back on avocado toast and lattes, and dream of the day when we'll finally have enough stashed away for that dream vacation or early retirement. But then reality bites. Life throws us curveballs, unexpected car repairs, medical bills, or a sudden urge to buy that vintage record player we absolutely don't need but desperately want. But hold your horses, my friends, because AI is here to turn this saving safari into a walk in the park. Now, let's venture into the wild and often intimidating world of investing. It's a jungle out there, my friends, filled with complex financial instruments, volatile markets, and enough jargon to make your head spin faster than a roulette wheel. It's no wonder so many people feel overwhelmed and intimidated by the prospect of investing their hard-earned money. But fear not, fellow investors, for AI is here to be our trusty guide through this financial wilderness. Imagine a world where your investments are managed by sophisticated algorithms that analyze market trends, assess risk tolerance, and optimize your portfolio for maximum returns, all while you sit back, relax, and watch your money grow. Right then, lads and lasses, let's talk about AI-powered budgeting apps, your new secret weapon in the battle against overspending and financial chaos. Imagine this. You connect your bank accounts and credit cards, and the app automatically tracks your income and expenses, categorizing them with the precision of a master chef separating his Michelin star ingredients. No more manual input, no more guessing games, just a crystal clear picture of your financial flow. These apps don't just track your money, they analyze it, learn from your spending patterns, and provide personalized insights and recommendations. It's like having a personal cheerleader for your finances, always there to motivate and guide you towards financial success. So stick with us, and we'll show you the top tier of AI financial management apps at the end. Now let's talk about investing, shall we? Remember that daunting jungle we discussed earlier? Well, with robo-advisors, navigating the investment world is no longer a treacherous expedition. These AI-powered platforms are like the financial advisors of the future. Accessible, affordable, and always working in your best interest. You simply answer a few questions about your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment timeline, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest, crafting a personalized investment portfolio tailored to your unique needs and aspirations. Robo-advisors don't just set and forget your investments. They continuously monitor market conditions, rebalance your portfolio as needed, and even reinvest dividends automatically, ensuring you're always on track to achieve your financial goals. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, robo-advisors can help you grow your wealth smarter and more efficiently. Stick around and we will show you a couple to consider. Automating your finances can significantly reduce anxiety about your future, leading to better overall mental health. By eliminating the constant worry about managing your money, you can focus on what truly matters in life. Imagine a world where your financial tasks are handled seamlessly, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to pursue your passions. Embrace automation and experience the mental clarity that comes with it. Now, let's cast our minds forward to the future of AI in personal finance. A future that promises to be even more personalized, proactive, and potentially mind-blowing. We're talking about AI that can anticipate your financial needs, automate complex financial decisions, and even help you navigate the emotional rollercoaster that comes with managing money. Imagine a world where your AI-powered financial assistant automatically negotiates better deals on your behalf, recommends personalized insurance plans based on your risk profile, family structure, and even helps you plan for retirement with uncanny accuracy. But the future of AI in personal finance goes beyond just automation and optimization. We're on the cusp of a financial revolution, one where AI empowers us to take control of our finances like never before. Now, before we go any further, let me tell you a little story about Alex's personal finance journey. For years, Alex was what you might call financially challenged. We're talking about the kind of person who could drain a bank account faster than you can say pint of lager. Alex's idea of budgeting was checking pockets for spare change before heading to the pub. He bounced between jobs, racking up credit card debt like it was going out of style. Alex's flat looked like a bomb went off in a charity shop, and a diet consisted mainly of instant noodles and whatever takeaway he could afford. Alex was living paycheck to paycheck, constantly stressed about money and utterly clueless about how to turn things around. For Alex, managing finances felt like diving into the depths of the Mariana Trench. Spreadsheets, budgets, investment portfolios, it was all so overwhelming. One day, Alex stumbled upon an article about AI-powered finance tools. Could an algorithm really help someone like Alex manage their finances? The more Alex read, the more intrigued they became. These apps promised to automate finances and track spending. So Alex decided to take the plunge. The first thing that surprised Alex was how quickly the app started tracking their spending. They categorized every transaction with pinpoint accuracy. Then came the personalized insights and recommendations. The budgeting app nudged Alex about their overspending habits. Meanwhile, the robo-advisor built Alex's investment portfolio. Alex's bank balance was growing, their debt was shrinking, and they finally had some breathing room. Just a regular person who decided to take control of their finances. Alex still enjoys the occasional pint and takeaway, and hasn't quite figured out how to resist the siren song of online shopping. But the difference is, Alex is now in control of his finances, not the other way around. Alex no longer dreads checking their bank balance, and the thought of unexpected expenses doesn't send them into a tailspin. Alex is saving for the future, investing wisely, and finally starting to build a life to be proud of. And the best part? This newfound financial stability has done wonders for Alex's mental health. The constant stress and anxiety about money have melted away, replaced by a sense of calm and control Alex hasn't felt in years, sleeping better, laughing more, and finally enjoying the simple things in life. It's amazing how much of a difference a little financial freedom can make. It's like a weight has been lifted from Alex's shoulders, allowing him to breathe deeply and embrace life with renewed enthusiasm. So, there you have it, my friends. Alex's journey from financial chaos to AI-powered stability. It's been a wild ride for Alex, full of twists, turns, and the occasional facepalm moment. But through it all, AI has been Alex's trusty sidekick, his financial wingman, helping them navigate the often treacherous waters of personal finance. And the best part? This technology is only getting smarter, more sophisticated, and more accessible every day. So if a financial novice like Alex can turn things around with the help of AI, then trust me, anyone can do it. Now, let's talk brass tacks, shall we? We've covered a lot of ground today, from the mind-numbing tedium of traditional finance to the shiny, futuristic world of AI-powered money management. But amidst all the tech talk and personal anecdotes, it's easy to lose sight of the most important takeaway. AI can save you a boatload of time. Remember those countless hours wasted wrestling with spreadsheets, chasing down receipts, and trying to decipher the financial hieroglyphics on your bank statements? Well, with AI, those days are gone, my friends. Imagine all the things you could do with that extra time. Learn a new skill, start a side hustle, or finally get around to writing that novel that's been gathering dust in your brain. Time is our most precious resource, and yet we squander it so easily, especially when it comes to managing our finances. But with AI, we can reclaim those lost hours and invest them in things that truly matter, our passions, our relationships, and our overall well-being. So, ditch the spreadsheets, silence the financial noise, and embrace the freedom that comes with AI-powered finance management. Your future self will thank you for it. We're standing on the precipice of a financial revolution, my friends, a revolution driven by the transformative power of artificial intelligence. The way we manage our money, invest our savings, and plan for our future is changing at an unprecedented pace. And AI is at the forefront of this exciting transformation. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but isn't AI just for tech-savvy millennials and Wall Street wizards? And to that, I say, balderdash. AI is for everyone, regardless of your age, income, or technical expertise. There's a whole ecosystem of user-friendly apps and platforms designed to make AI accessible to the masses. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete novice, a busy professional or a stay-at-home parent, there's an AI-powered finance tool out there that can help you achieve your financial goals and live a richer, more fulfilling life. So, what are you waiting for? The future is now, my friends. Embrace the power of AI, unlock your financial potential, and join the financial revolution. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the world of AI-powered personal finance and want to stay ahead of the financial curve, then hit that subscribe button, like your financial future depends on it. I'll be sharing more insights, tips, and strategies for mastering your money with the help of AI, along with the occasional dose of British humour to keep things lively. We'll explore the latest AI finance trends, review cutting-edge apps and platforms, and demystify the sometimes confusing world of investing, all while having a good laugh along the way. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and join the financial revolution. Let's unlock the power of AI together and create a future where financial freedom is the norm, not the exception. Now, I'm always eager to hear your thoughts and ideas. So let me know what other AI-powered finance topics you'd like me to cover in future videos. Are you curious about AI-driven investing strategies? Want to learn more about the ethical implications of AI in finance? Or perhaps you have a burning finance question that only an AI expert can answer? Drop your suggestions in the comments below and I'll do my best to address them in upcoming videos. Let's keep the conversation going, challenge each other's thinking, and explore the limitless possibilities of AI in personal finance together. Remember, the more we learn about AI in finance, the better equipped we'll be to navigate the financial landscape of the future. So let's embark on this exciting journey together, armed with knowledge, curiosity, and a healthy dose of British wit. Cheers to a brighter financial future for all. So there you have it, lads and lasses. We've journeyed from the depths of financial despair to the soaring heights of AI-powered well-being. Who knew that those pesky algorithms could become our best mates in securing a brighter financial future? The real magic of AI in personal finance isn't just about boosting your bank balance, it's about freeing your mind. By taking the reins of our finances, automating the tedious bits, and providing invaluable insights. And now, drumroll, please. The current option for AI-based financial management are: for apps, we have Wally, Clio, and Plum. There are also many others, so do your due diligence. And here are the most popular robo-advisors offered by Schwab. Schwab Intelligent Portfolios, Fidelity, Fidelity Go, and Vanguard. Vanguard Digital Advisor. Thank you for sticking with us to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more wisdom. It is much appreciated.